Good afternoon. Chapter Application of Derivative, Exercise 6.2, question number 1. Increasing and decreasing function. The first question is, show that the function given by fx equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R. Show that the function fx equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R, real number. Okay, so you have to show function is strictly increasing on R. So here fx equal to fx function equal to 3x plus 17. Okay, so take 2 points x1 x2. So let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, real number, such that so 2 points you are taking, and take any one point is greater than the other. That means x1 less than x2. So x1, now we are taking x1 less than x2. x1 is less than x2. Okay, so question is that is function is 3x plus 17. Both sides multiply by 3. So 3x1 less than 3x2. Now plus 17. Add 17 on both sides. That is 3x1 plus 17 less than 3x2 plus 17. Now 3x1 plus 17, so it is f of x1 less than 3x2 plus 17, that is f of x2 at x2 point, f of x2. Okay, so you get f of x1 less than f of x2 when x1 less than x2. When x1 less than x2. Okay, and for all x1 and x2, 2 points belongs to R, and x1 x2 belongs to R. Okay, so now we can say fx, the function is strictly increasing on R. Thus function fx is strictly increasing on R. Okay, this is the question. So that the function fx equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R. So take 2 points x1 x2 belongs to R from real number, and x1 less than x2. So x1 less than x2, both sides multiply by 3 because function is 3x plus 17. So to make 3x plus 17, so 3x1 plus 17 less than 3x2 plus 17. So x1, that is from f of x1 and less than f of x2. So when x1 less than x2. So now we can say fx is strictly increasing on R. Okay. Question number 2 is show that the function fx equal to e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x is strictly increasing on R. Okay. So solution part, here fx equal to function fx equal to e to the power 2x. Okay. So find its derivative, first derivative. So f dash x equal to e to the power 2x derivative, e to the power 2x into 2x derivative 2, that means 2 into e to the power 2x. 2 into e to the power 2x. Okay. Now, when x greater than 0, okay, so x greater than 0, then e to the power 2x also greater than 0, that means f dash x greater than 0, because since e to the power 2x greater than 0, when x greater than 0, e to the power 2x greater than 0 when x greater than 0. If x is positive, then e to the power 2x value is always positive. Okay. So first derivative, that is f dash x greater than 0. Okay. Now when x equal to 0, then f dash x equal to f dash x equal to 2 into e to the power 0, x is 0, e to the power 0 is 1, that is 2. So 2 positive number greater than 0. So this greater than 0. So this means f dash x greater than 0. Okay. So when x equal to 0, f dash x greater than 0. First derivative positive, greater than 0. So now if x less than 0, when x less than 0, negative, so f dash x equal to 2 e to the power 2x, 2 e to the power x, take x equal to minus y, so minus 2y, since x equal to minus y, because x less than 0 negative value we are taking. Now we can write this equal to 2y e to the power minus 2y means 1 by e to the power 2y, and e to the power 2x, 2y always positive, so this also greater than 0. E to the power 2y always positive, since e to the power 2y is greater than 0. So this imply f dash x greater than 0. Okay. So we see all the cases when x greater than 0, x equal to 0 and x less than 0. All the cases first derivative, that means f dash x greater than 0 means positive. Okay, thus we can say fx is strictly increasing on R, real number, any number. Thus fx is strictly increasing on R. Okay, hello, this clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In all the cases positive greater than 0, so function is fx strictly increasing. Number 3, question number 3 is show that the function, show that fx equal to, the function fx equal to sin x. Sin x is first case strictly increasing in the interval 0, pi by 2. 0, pi by 2. Okay. Number B, second one, strictly decreasing in pi by 2, pi. Pi by 2, pi. And C, neither increasing nor decreasing. In 0, pi. Interval is in 0, pi. Okay. So see the question. Show that fx function is fx equal to sin x. So fx equal to sin x is strictly increasing in the interval 0, pi by 2. Okay. Between 0, pi by 2. And strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2, pi, and not increasing and decreasing. Okay, neither increasing nor decreasing, it is in the interval 0, pi. So solution, so here fx equal to, here fx equal to, function is sin x. Sin x. Okay, find its first derivative. So f dash x equal to sin x derivative cos x. Cos x. Okay. Now check one by one. First one, when interval is 0, pi by 2. First, so x belongs to 0, pi by 2. So 0 comma pi by 2 within this interval. Okay, so points are like pi by 4, pi by 6. So value of cos pi by 4, pi by 6 all are positive only. Okay, so between this interval, between 0 to 90 degree, pi by 2, okay, cos x always positive. So when x belongs to this, then cos x is greater than 0. 0 to pi by 2,
Yes, sir.
0 to pi by 2, cos x greater than 0. So cos x greater than 0 means that is
F is increasing.
interest x
F is greater than 0, so F is increasing.
greater than 0. F dash x greater than 0. So we know if f dash x greater than 0, thus fx, so the function fx is strictly increasing. Yes,
Increasing in 0 comma pi by 4 or pi by 2.
strictly increasing on 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, this was number A, strictly increasing in 0 comma pi by 2. Now next one, B, when x belongs to, next interval is pi by 2 comma pi by 2 comma pi. Okay, so between 90 to 180. So we know cos 90 is 0,
0.
cos pi minus 1. So between these all are negative value. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so when x belongs to
Cos
pi by
x
2
is smaller than 0.
yes, then cos x less than 0. So that is f dash x less than 0. First derivative less than 0. So fx is, see the question, strictly decreasing. Yes, it is decreasing.
Yes, sir.
Strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 comma pi. Okay, now third one, number C is in x belongs to 0 to pi, 0 comma pi, when x belongs to 0 comma pi, 0 comma pi. Okay, so see from A and B we see that when interval is 0 to pi by 2 greater than 0, interval is pi by 2 to pi less than 0. Okay, so we see that in the interval in, so first one is 0 comma pi by 2, in the interval 0 comma pi by 2 fx is strictly increasing. And in the interval pi by 2 comma pi, in pi by 2 comma pi, fx is
Strictly decreasing.
strictly decreasing. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
so in the say that means if you combine these two interval 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi, so we'll get 0 to pi now.
Yes, sir.
So now we can say in the interval 0 to pi, so thus in 0 comma in the interval 0 comma pi, fx is positive and negative, both values are present now. Fx value positive and negative.
Yes, sir.
So f dash x is positive and f dash x is positive and negative. Within this interval 0 to pi. Okay. F dash x is positive and negative. Both values are present. So we cannot say no, it is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. We cannot say. So
Yes, sir.
so fx is fx is as per question is neither increasing nor decreasing. So fx is increasing nor decreasing in the interval 0 comma pi. Okay? Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
All questions is okay? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Any question here?
No, sir.
Okay, so practice this all question and NCERT example. Okay, all example practice today. Then easily you can understand increasing function and decreasing function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.